Yeah, top.
Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you're all doing well and I'm reaching you all in good health. If you don't know me, I am Sana and I make beauty videos on this channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So today I'm sitting in front of you guys to achieve this look, the one I'm wearing. It is a sun-kissed look, and sun-kissed look is all about dewy bronzy look. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you guys how I achieved this look. So without further ado, let's just get into the video.
So after prepping my face, I prime my face with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and then I use this Body Shop foundation. It is really good. If you're looking for a good foundation, go for it. So now I'm putting the foundation with my fingers. I'm putting it with my fingers so that it melts in my skin. Now I'm taking Cover FX Custom Enhancing Drops in Sunlight, and I'm going to put it on the high points of my cheeks so that it gives a very luminous effect. Now I'm going to conceal with Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to blend it with my fingers. Now I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer to brighten up my under eye area. Now with RCMA No Color Powder, I'm going to put it under my eyes so that the concealer doesn't crease. I'm not going to put a lot of powder so that the luminosity remains. Now coming to the major part of this look, contouring. I'm taking this contour palette and I'm going to contour or bronze really well, because this look is all about contouring / bronzing, whatever you like. Now I'm taking the same shade and putting it on my eyelids so that there is some sort of dimension. Then I'm taking this white pencil. I'm going to line my waterline. Now I'm using my favorite combo of mascaras. This will give me volume and length, so I totally love this. Now I'm taking this Sweet Touch highlighter and I'm going to put it on my tear duct. And now coming to my favorite part, I'm taking this highlighter. This is a very good highlighter. I'm in love with it, and I'm going to highlight my face. Take your time because this look is also about highlighting. So now I'm using this Calzona liquid lipstick, and I wanted to go for a bold lip. That's why I'm going for this color. You can take any color of your choice, be it light.
So guys, this was the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to link it somewhere down over here. I'm doing this water challenge on my Instagram. I'm drinking 4 liters of water a day, and I'm encouraging others to do that too. So would love to have you guys as a part of that journey. And I think this was it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.